Peace be upon you. Greetings to all my friends.
How are you? I hope you are all healthy and doing your daily tasks smoothly, and I am also fine. Alhamdulillah.
Well, I had the chance to record the white-billed Merba baby, and it happened to be nesting next to the house. Coincidentally, there is also a nest of white-billed birds nesting in the salak tree next to the house. I managed to record some footage.
This is the salak tree next to the house where the baboon nests. And this is the recording that I managed to record when the mother of the white Merba bird came to feed her child. Let's see the mother Merba feeding when her baby is almost 2 weeks old. Soon her baby will be able to fly to follow her mother.
That's all for video sharing this time.
Thanks to my friends,
Everyone who has already watched. Hope to see you again in the next video.